Hey everybody, ZuriFX here. I am doing my zombie girl that I did a little bit a while ago, but I figured I'll put it on YouTube. Alright, and this is my fun finished look here. I know I look so sexy. Putting latex on all over my face. Next, putting powder down. Putting foundation on, the same color foundation as my skin, but I want to look a little pale. Now I'm drawing in some eyebrows, shaping my eyebrows, adding some dark contour, very dark, and highlighting my face. Don't forget I have latex on, using my finger for the shadow. Putting a dark brown all over my face to make myself look more worn out and dead. And my favorite part is coming up next, and we're going to peel it off. We're going to peel off the latex from the skin, and all I'm doing is pinching, grabbing, and stretching, and tearing it apart to see how big I want the circle to be. And I keep going around randomly around my face. My favorite part. Now I'm putting black face paint on the outer corners of all my holes on my face, and moving down to my chest area to make my chest area a little bit better. And then now I'm putting blood on my holes on my face. Nice and bloody. Zuri Johnson. Word up. I really should say Zuri FX. So this is my finished look. Very quick, and it's very easy to wear. You can wear this all night with no issue. I decided to peel it all off since I was going to hop in the shower anyway. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment anything on this video. If you don't like it, let me know. If you like it, let me know. Have a great night, everybody. Bye.